Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, we all have heard Europe is closed up. They're locked down. And we all know what happens in Europe normally finds its way to the United States soon after. We are headed for a lockdown if things don't change fast. Now, with elections this close, I wouldn't put it past anyone to try to delay the elections by forcing a lockdown prematurely. Tell me what you think about this. I mean, I have not heard anyone else talk on this. This is just me thinking. A lot of people may say that that can't happen. Well, in the past months, we have seen a lot of things that can't happen that has happened. I wouldn't put anything past anyone right now. We are headed for a lockdown if things don't change. And with elections this close, who knows? They have been trying to rig the election all along. This could be the last ditch effort to rig the election. Y'all, no matter what happens, please get out and vote. Exercise your right to vote. Let your voices be heard. Remember, if you don't vote, you don't have a voice. You have given up the right to complain. And remember also that if you want this side to win and you don't vote, you gave your vote to this side and vice versa. So you have to exercise your right and your duty as an American to get out and vote. Y'all, we are headed for a lockdown. I know we are. I can feel it. There are states already talking about a lockdown. And since it's already happening in Europe, most likely it's going to find its way here, as everything else does. So be prepared. Pray that it don't happen. I pray I'm wrong, but I do believe it's going to happen. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out the links below. Give me your thumbs up and leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this. Do you feel that we're headed for a lockdown? And do you think that someone could use that last-ditch effort to rig the election by forcing a lockdown? I see it, and I don't put nothing past any of them. Before you go to the polls, please pray for God to give you guidance to make the right choice. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. Subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and just know I love you all.